think inside the box to save money and the environment. EnviroPack uses advanced CNC systems for end-to-end tooling design. An in-house design department and tooling center allows us to take a product from concept to production with speed and efficiency. EnviroPack uses industry-leading Mastercam and SolidWorks software to develop our custom packaging solutions. Our designs seamlessly integrate in our tooling center to produce prototype and production tooling. We can usually provide our customers a 3D design within 1 to 5 days, followed quickly by a complete production quote. Finite element analysis examines the performance of our designs before any prototype is produced. This virtual analysis leads to shorter lead times in bringing products to market. Once a design is approved, we can produce prototype samples within 2 to 3 weeks. We typically provide our customers with 20 to 30 samples that are fully functional and used to evaluate form, fit, and function. We have a variety of CNC machines to fabricate our precision tooling. It takes quality tooling to produce a quality product. There is no shortcut. At EnviroPack, our production tooling separates us from many others in the field. We guarantee our tooling for the life of each product at no additional cost. Contact us to learn more, 314-739-1202 or info@enviropack.com.